To sell ebooks on Gumroad, start by visiting the Gumroad website. Once you're there, click on the Login button in the upper right corner and fill out the required information, including your email and password. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Gumroad homepage, where you'll see various options such as Home, Products, Collaborators, and Sales. Click on the Products option. Then select the New Product button in the upper right corner. This will take you to a page where you can choose the type of product you want to sell. In this case, an ebook. Type in the name of your book and set a price. The amount is up to you. Next, you can add a description of the book, upload a cover image, and customize the product information. There are many options available, so take your time to explore them. Once you've completed the setup, click Save and Continue to preview your ebook. That's the basic process for selling a book on Gumroad.